Well, hi Year 11s, this is just a quick video to show you how easy it is to use Phet. Here's the link up here that you've got. We start with our battery always, it's set as 9 volts. Start dragging a few components out. Light bulb, let's chuck a switch over there. Okay, so now I've added a few things, and if we close the switch, what happens? Current flows. Notice that we can show the electron flow one way, or conventional current, which is from positive to negative the opposite way. It's not really that important. We've added the ammeter up here. What happens if we put a voltmeter in? We measure across the component, remember, and look, our voltage is 9 volts. So if we check the voltage across the battery, well, guess what? That's also 9 volts. And just see what happens when you test the voltage in a wire. That's interesting. Voltage is reading 0, and that's because there's nothing there to use up the charge from the battery. So have a play with that. Add in more components. Add in another light bulb or two in series, then add them into parallel. So you've got multiple branches in your circuit. Just keep playing around with that. Use the SciPad pages I've recommended. That's page 43 and 45 as a reference. So you've tried out various circuits in series, that's on page 3, and in parallel, that's in page 45. And see what you come up with, and you can try everything that's on those pages and build it for yourself. Once you get the hang of it, this is really quick. Okay, talk to you in class. Bye.